Palestinian and British
Where do you live, Jena?
in Gaza.
And how has Gaza been in the last few days?
Not very good.
What's been happening?
In the morning, in the night, there's lots of bombing, and we have to worry about the house shaking. If it shakes, it feels like it's slowly falling. And if we hear some loud news, I get scared, and Mommy hug everybody, so we protect. We are children. It's not right to do that to children. And we are family.
Yeah. And does it happen all the time?
It happens all the time.
And what happened yesterday? How did you feel yesterday when we had to run and leave?
Not very good.
Okay. Were you scared?
Yeah.
Okay. And how does it feel that... Are you living at your home at the moment, Jena?
No.
Okay, and how does that make you feel?
I don't really miss my home, but I can't go. There's lots of bombing.